What's up, Savage Team? Alright, I'm back in my sister's room to show two birds. Petra, who's having fun, and Dexter. I never showed Dexter yet, but he doesn't like to be held. I think he's like sometimes scared. But even if I ever try going near him, he runs away. So I think the only thing we're gonna do is play with Petra for a little bit. And yeah, let's go. Hi, Petra. You wanna come out? You wanna come out? You wanna come out? Actually, I'm not gonna let her out because I want to just be normal with this. Because we have only one bird out, and I'm afraid he's gonna hurt her. So say hi to Petra, everyone. All right, peace, everyone.